I'm here with my 66 Dart, and we got a little dink here, and I did some polishing on...
Dink?
Well, yeah, the fender's kind of smashed. So
okay.
I drilled a hole, I put a screw in there. We're going to see if we can get it to pop a little bit out. It's a little better.
It is. Put the door, the headlight door on there and see. I bet it's way better than it was.
I can still see a lot of, but I think it'll, if I put another hole there, I think I can yank a little better now that it's... Took some of the pressure off the smashy smash.
I will in a minute here. We're doing video for Kim here. Looks better in here than it does over there.
I like it. That's our plan. Always to look best on camera.
See, that one's yellow.
Mm-hmm.
It's because I bought that screwdriver when I had my first radiator shop. It's one of the first tools I painted yellow so I wouldn't leave it. So I wouldn't leave it under the hood of a car. You want to check it? I don't know if I wanted to check it. I'm just tired of the hammering.
I mean, it came out a lot.
Oh, I know. I can see it's even round and kind of the right shape, and it was all terrible looking.
Yeah, I'm not sure how to get the rest of that out of there.
You know what I'd do?
What?
I'd clean that off, make it bare metal, and put a little Bondo on there and make it the right shape, because it's so close.
Yeah, I think maybe.
I mean, if you put a little Bondo there and did that, that'd be fine. Then all we got to do is find the... I think I saw this color's available.
I'm gonna be careful I don't set the airbag off.
The airbag... Yo, Kim, that is so close.
Yeah, considering I don't know what I'm doing, I think
Well, looks to me like you worked. Looks to me like you worked at a body shop for a couple of years.
No, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. This is complete hackery. I saw, what's that guy who does Fitzy's Fabrications pull a dent one time, and here we are.
Oh, look at that.
Little Bondo, clean that right up, huh?
Oh, it's yeah, it's just slightly not right, but I mean...
you saw what it was like before, right?
Yeah, it was all crumpled.